Hey beautiful viewers and subscribers, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for dropping by my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe as I bring you your daily dose of interesting happenings from Jamaica. Have a great day, my lovelies. Love you all. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a sad week on social media. Social media is supposed to be about fun and learning, but as we can see, it's turned out into murderous activities that are not really welcomed. We see the latest blogger, Lee Gates, has been, put out. His light has been put out. For what reason, I do not know, but all I can say to you all, or to his family, condolences. And I hope, eventually we get to the bottom of all of this. But what I want to talk to you about today is something that I saw on social media last week. I know this is not new news, but I would just like to talk about it. I guess you see the reunion between Sherica and Donna. Some people are up in arms about this latest development, but really there's no need. To sin is human, and to make a mistake is human, but to forgive is divine. I think it's a wonderful example of how we are supposed to live. However, in saying that, I believe that Miss Donna needs to be careful. She should forgive, but not forget that she has been through what she has been through with Sherica. She should be careful. Nice that she showed love to her, because that will in no doubt bring blessings to her in the long run. And what she's doing is quite a biblical act. But Miss Donna need not to open up herself to Sherica like how she did before. Help, yes, but keep Sherica at a distance. Remember, how Sherica did her in the past. And I would like to speak to Sherica now and give a message to Sherica. Sherica, no matter how controversial, is a likable person who was very humble at the beginning of Miss Donna's program. Somehow, along the way, she became consumed with greed and ungratefulness. Sherica, you need to realize that you had it going for you, where the plankers were so willing to help you, but the greed and the jealousy of what other participants were receiving got the better of you. You cannot be wrong and strong. You say that you're glad to be talking back with Miss Donna, but I hope it is for the right reason. I, for one, I am glad to see that you are now exchanging words positively. God has given you another chance to make the most of, your situation. So you just need to humble yourself. You've become too argumentative and angry, which leads me to wonder, were you that genuine and humble person that you showed at the beginning of the program? Despite your ways and attitude, I, for one, can see that there is good in you. Try to cultivate the good side of you, and you will be surprised how things may turn out for you. Well, we all we can do is watch the situation, and, only time will tell. Miss Donna, you're a good person from what I can see. And you set a very good example, an example of forgiveness, which is what we actually need to stay well. If we hold on to things in our heart, that can make us ill in the long run. When you forgive somebody, you're doing yourself a favor. But be wise in your approach and dealings with those who have deceived you in the past. Those are my few words to you both, and I hope it will be accepted. So take a look at a few clips of how she actually reunited with Miss Donna, and let me know what you think in the comment box below. Have a great day, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, I hope you will consider doing so. One love.
Regulation. And when people have a lady organize it, I saw the bag we are gonna put it. You don't get the beat when I talk about that, and for the people they wanna make the pass flow, you know, can have a nice day upon the life. I just show my face, say, yeah man, one day we going to talk again and things they're going to talk about. Yeah. Mommy already, I told me I'm going now.
Hold on, me I come. So granny dead.
Yeah man, my granny dead.
Blanca shop? To Rasta driver, but I can't even swear them as I come. I
don't need to see some talk some things and some talk some other things.
Check about before all this, look how far me and you come from.
Everywhere I go, people say, see first somebody where Aunty Donna had a fan up. I don't need. My name ever call it Miss Donna once, so nobody now go change that. And if one day I feel like say, I will stop walk with hatred in my heart and start have love, God will stay with me. I don't need the crowd to stay with me. Yeah. I'm a pray every day, so no come by and come tell me if you pray. Me ever pray, that's why I still live. After the beating and everything, after the allegations and the lies and the stuff, I am here same way. Yeah. Yeah man, big up on yourself. All I know. Now you them say mountain if you are the best. And the best thing say we have Vietnam and what you call the place of us Iraq. We have a war and kill off one another and dead. Now this time I can't take confusion. But you say Miss Donna, when I beg you, me know. On the live, me I beg you know, who and they are foreign chat me ever.
There's war right, so go
I don't want me and nobody in a war, no way at all. I mean I want way much, that's the man never beat me. I want when me out there, we don't see the live, say, whether we vex, we are right now. So who are plan to beat or who are plan to betray, who don't leave me now. I am
so
here. All kind of people. Just like how them say me make man rap down a town and me know nothing no go so. And so them a plan to kill me.
I remember say me call the boy for you sending.
You know me did say that.
Oh yeah, same thing.
Go do a live.
I'm not forgot to they got to a live. Remember when I was here when my phone take with Sherica and me come. No, but I'm not talk about.
I know you talk like you talk for your side.
I'm not talk about no side. Me I tell you what in my heart.
You ramp with me, just tell me you not with me. I go and come here straight.
No, but
you know me and me, I'm not change.
I know you and you know me and me, I'm not change. But when things hurt you, Sherica, like oh, you say things hurt you. Remember say that the boy say Sherica. So Sherica, you don't come down here again, you come down here same way?
Every day I'm there.
But I not see you.
I just go up and do me and do a mother and move again.
Oh, I not see you.
I come look man, I'm there. I live in so I have to breathe and live and move around.
Like a shop, you see that little girl there? From her baby them down her knee, me and she come, ask her. Bad to bad. You know so what the chef say? What chef did say? Long Sherica good. I don't remember what chef did say. From Sherica, from baby them there her knee.
They say nah go well, unfriend me Donna.
But them say
and thanks to all of the hypocrite them. The one them way well one friend back some people and can't get the chance of being. But you ready?
Well,
I got told.
But
I just smell me tell me because
I don't smell you, Sherica. I don't smell you.
I smell you every time you told me I stretch and me that sweat.
No, I don't smell you. Anyway, Blanca shop. The internet keep on a drop. Yeah, because Sherica, I never hide it. Bless up yourself, Blanca people. Who come back and me I go on the road here now. What you say, one rice?
The main thing where you give me no Donna, you want me repeat it?
No,
Lord.
But me not say no. Me no want you go say
me ask for. Me you there ask for. I mean, when me no short, me stay short. Time to live and love. Yeah, anybody no understand a new part, yeah? It means getting back things in pack. Stop scattering the life and living a misery and lies and I mean, never tell a lie. I get the ass beat about Miss Donna wasn't there. And that was the claim. Who have anything as I say can say thanks to Miss Donna to meet Sherica and talk to Sherica. And who wants to don't talk back to Sherica. And who wants to don't help Sherica for the business that. I am here, I'm talking for myself, babe. Boo.
Blanca shop. Later, Tina,
that's some band, yeah? Now go get up to no confusion and no illusion between me and nobody. So stick it down there, the beat no run and people move on. Whatever them say. And when me say, I can't say it again. And it done. And me there look something for Miss Donna, anything at all.
Alright, Blanca, Tina!
Tina done there?
Yeah, Tina done there.
Like me, no Donna.
Lord God, Sherica, Tina like you.
Tina like me, you chat to me from me there. All when me chat up to her man, she wants to see me that go look in me. Now one time, I just like him do construction work with. Never really trouble people, man, and Miss Donna, me never trouble people, man. I see me be a father there one time, make me mistake, I go trouble people, man, and get one baby and then you remember? I be up stone, me have to walk with a machete boy.
Father God, I stretch forth my hand today, you know, and I help I know. I can't deal with Sherica. Sherica don't cheer.
You know why people not gonna like me?
Sherica see that don't like her.
If you choose these people know you every day in a year where you're born and they not chat to you. They must like they don't like you.
But you want to see us
Me a Mexican. Me a send you down there. Anyway, Planka shop. We move on. I see her, I call to her. I say, Sherica. Right out there, so I see she and her man. And she never had a fence and me and her start talk. I'm tell her,
not the first. Me remember when Donna come in and me had me a fix the fan, the dust done before night. Go on have something for you. Remember my exact words, because I not tell lie.
Yeah.
And what kind of money you could have get for me and me not nobody have for it, Donna?
Alright.
Oh, and there it is.
I count out your money then.
Right. I'm a big buy the fan, I'm a big pay for graduation.
I buy jewel, who you buy this. Me ever rob you none of your money?
No.
Oh?
But if you are rob none of me no know.
But only for when you if me a rob no, me no know when you get it.
No, me I gonna know and the one of them send come give me a way me get. So which one you rob?
No, no, that me say.
Then no count to no count me account to me well of money for Donna. Then Natalie you can't give me a grass there. You see me drop off a ship and you test grass. You go England go get sick.
Mountain View is not a real place. Mountain View.
All you tell people say I want to go social security, you know.
Yeah, there.
Anybody will ask
I drive out. I not even post my picture of them yet. No, sir.
Then Donna, you're going to make this alive and them are people who are hypocrite, some of them.
No, man, I'm not paying nobody no man. I'm changing the Sherica. I'm
talk about the things them when me out with the food and the
then I'm not going to give you. I'm going to send you up on Mr. Cole.
What talk about me mouth to no lucky, that's why I can't chat so.
Alright, here what you do, make me go on up on Mr. Cole and make them Cole up a Rushmore, up a Debbie.
Just so then I have to go up there and then once I hear them, the people don't see me.
No man, I'm going to come with you, go on.
Alright.
I'm going to reach up there. A food, you are taking up.
Yeah, get the food, so thank you for the I chat and I still I eat.
Alright, go on, I'm going to come up there. What? You glad me and you talk about Sherica? Oh, give me a hug. Oh God,
I don't care what go on, man. You know me? Yes, man. And me there, I know you. You know me born at 16.
Yeah.
You know me for me a baby. Rest it, Miss Donna, man. People are going to talk with them, you know, but them don't know what happened then.
Yeah.
So rest it.
Sherica said she glad me and her talk back. Oh God. Meet me up at Rushmore. Long as people me see Sherica, I could pass her. I say, anywhere me see Sherica, me I go stop. I will first me see Sherica, for Sherica left down here. Me I come. Sherica, meet me up there. No, sir. Me my chest when the man them never did me there at church. I me never hide it, me come on the live, the phone argument, the robbing argument at town. But let me tell you something, you say when you forgive people, you don't forgive them for them, you forgive them. I mean, never, even in amidst of everything, I still never have nothing against her. As my other pastor, because she never see me. And at the hard way, I where to fresh to get the bill. Call Garnet for me now. And at the hard way, I go pay the bill and I come out. Yeah, give Tara for give to fresh to Garnet. So Nari sit down there, so give him for give fresh. And me I step down on her back turn and I send a Sherica that. I'm a call her. As me call her, I say Sherica. She said, Miss Donna, walk, my granny dead. I tell you exactly what happened. And I say, I always want to see if you tell me the truth. And me never know say you get eaten. And I come from church, come see them a box you up. Say you this, me and them something. And the people from up a Sherica side, anybody a Mountain View can tell you. And I never hide it. I never say Sherica get no bit. I say them I'm back Sherica. And I said, Jesus Christ, don't leave Sherica alone. Who? 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 Oh, me I go up the road now. Me can't stop with Zazan. Zazan, no. Oh, he must go come back and me I go. Me have to go out the place. But me tell you something. You see, God, when you don't have dirty heart in you, me get blamed for a whole heap of things in a Mountain View where poor me don't know about. Shanice. You say forgiveness is the key. I'm always say that. It's not herself, Aunty Donna. True, I mean, I have nothing against her. I mean, I help Sherica from. I see my come to me there. I help Sherica from Sherica baby them a little pick me. Zazan, I drive me. Zazan, see me here, I drive out, brother. Not bad.
Blessing.
Yeah.
Quick question.
But they're on live, you know.
They're on live.
Yeah. Ask me still, I don't know secret.
My team of people spread the love one, do some things with Rushmore. Go do a Christmas thing.
Oh, you have to go over there, go after.
So you know about that?
No, I remember, yeah, you go talk to them. I must buy from them, you know.
Okay, you think it up?
Yeah,
whatever.
ask the Damien over there, so I will tell you.
No, man, not enough.
Up by hardware, up by shop, I go. So I don't know if Mr. Crow up there, so you can drive behind me. Yeah. Yeah. Love is the word. Yeah, I'm always see me.